The food shed, the Great Basin Food Co-op. So they have an outside section where people can go hang out. Let's go inside the store. Okay. So they have the greens. This is Ray.
What's happening, guys?
Ray's the man.
Yay. Ron's the man. Let me know if you have any questions, Ron.
Thank you.
Of course, dude.
Yeah, this is my favorite store. I have 2 stores I shop at. These are just the green. This is the juice bar, so people can get their nutrition. It looks like they have celery juice, power greens, heavy metal, metally. You can buy all kinds of things here to kind of help improve your health. But as you go through, you'll notice that they do have the non-food section. So you can come here and buy more natural products. Pretty much most of the stuff here is organic. They try to keep it organic as best they can. But so in this store right here, I really don't have to go through much with you because the base, it's based on everything being organic. So all the produce is going to be organic, just like natural grocers. Like we went into natural grocers and it's organic as well. So I can come here and find my beautiful vegetables and my fruits and vegetables. And so anyway, this is the kind of store that you can go to in lieu of going to the grocery store and having to struggle through the aisles. Now, it might be a little bit more expensive sometimes because the products are, you know, like everything here is within 22 miles away. All the like natural foods, all the vegetables and the fruits, it's all brought in within like 22 miles away. And then if you look, you'll notice that in the sections, you do have, this stuff is all like organic. So they might have a couple things here that's not organic, but typically it's all organic. Up here in northern Nevada, they have these things called Mother of Macros, which I fell in love with, but unfortunately, they have they use natural sweeteners and stuff, like donuts, but I can't really mess with those because they mess up my diet. They still are sugar. So even though they use like applesauce and stuff, and it's like date sugar or dates for the sweetener, it still will throw off the, you know, I'm trying to reduce my sugars. So here's some more like at natural grocers, yeah, just basically more natural products. So this is cool. People don't realize how unhealthy those products are when you're putting them on your skin or you're cleaning your house. All I use when I clean is I use baking soda and white vinegar. And I basically use the white vinegar with water, and I clean windows, and I clean floors, and I clean bathrooms. And then with baking soda, I'm able to clean the toilets, and it's deodorizes the carpets. You don't have to go buy the fabric, the carpet fresh that they always try to get you for. So all that stuff saves me a lot of money too. So you can save a lot of money by learning this information. This is the sweet section. Try to stay away from. But you can get products like this right here. This right here is has honey. It's only 3 ingredients: raw honey, dark chocolate, and peppermint oil. Okay, and then if you go over to this section, you'll notice that, like this one right here, this has coconut sugar, so it doesn't have the regular sugar in it. So I'm not saying if you eat a bunch of this stuff, it won't hurt you especially if you're diabetic. But if you want to try a little bit and you do eat sugars, try to move towards these products instead of the regular products that are loaded with sugars. Okay. So anyway, okay. Then we go through this section. Now you have this is basically the nutrition section they don't have a very big vitamin section here at this store, but so for example, like these right here, these aquatic greens. I got these from my aunt the other day. She's struggling with cancer, and she's trying to find something to put some nutrition in her. And she said that stuff like this kind of helps her a little bit. I actually just took a little bit of these right here, Amazing Greens, and those that I took a little. I drank a little bit of that today, and I feel good. So, let me turn around. We don't want to miss this section. So. Then we have the drinks, okay? So now you do have, remember, if they have sugar. You can't really, organic, doesn't matter really. Sugar is it'll affect you. So, but that's the drink section. Then you go down here, we got the crackers now. Crackers are carbs, right? So chips, crackers, all this stuff, it's good, tastes good, right? Tastes good, but it does turn into sugar, right? So everything, I didn't realize that. Like all this stuff, a lot of this stuff turns into sugar. So if you're eating sugar and then you have like, carbs, and the next thing you know, they say you're diabetic. It's like, what? Because you started eating too many sugars, you see? So here's the vitamin section. Very small here. So I'm not a very big fan of this part, but that's why I go to Natural Grocers. And we're going to go there, and I'm going to show you guys, and we're going to interview the vitamin lady. So she's going to show us how their vitamins and so. Oh, they got alcohol section here, see? So, and if you look, it's organic. But remember, alcohol is alcohol still. So it's cool. I would prefer to having organic. They're not going to put the pesticides and stuff in there. And then if you're going to get wine, try to make sure they don't have the nitrates. Try to make sure, you get some healthier products, but still, it's still libation. It's still alcohol. Alcohol, if you drink too much of it, I don't think it's too healthy. So, but then you go to this section over here, right? Then you have the alcohol, more beers and stuff. So anyway, this is just more sections. Now this is probably, this has to be my favorite section in the whole store because this is the pre-made meal. So, and for me as a bachelor, I like to every once in a while, I do cook my own food like every day, but I do like to get my prepared meals. So like that, this tamari chicken quinoa bowl, it's the bomb. Look at this stuff, you guys. I want to show you guys. I want you guys to really see it. Look at that thing. Peanuts. Looks like some edamame. Cabbage. That's it right there. This is great. So anyway, then you got some snacks you can get. I don't like snacks. I eat them all, so I can't like control myself. So when it comes to snacks, I try to stay away, or I just buy them and I don't put them in my house. So meat section, like I said, this stuff's within, a lot of this meat is within, I think 22 miles away. They have these farms out there, and so you can come here and get some good stuff, and it's clean. And so I try to buy some of my meat here, but I also go to Natural Grocers because they have a pretty good section as well. So just more frozen stuff. As I said, I do eat those Amy's, and I throw a bunch of vegetables with them. Let's see here. What else we got here? What else we got? Ice cream. No, I don't even touch that. I like it. I'll eat it all, so I don't touch it. I stay away from that section. Just don't even look in there. Okay. Pasta. Let me see here. Oh no, this is the best part of this whole store. I said that was the best part, but let me tell you, this fresh ground peanut butter is the best part, because you can just like use this as your cheat snack. So what I'll do is I'll get one of these little containers here, and I'll fill it up halfway. And some days I'll just eat this as I'll just sit there and just eat the whole thing with nothing in it, just peanut butter, right? And then it handles my cravings. But I'm trying to stay away from snacks. So, because snacks, if I can get away from snacks and just have 2 meals, then that would probably be better. This is just the grains, and we got some almonds and trail mix and flour, and up here we got. Look at this. So this is a great section here too. This is the bulk foods, and then over here we have, what is all this stuff? Oh, body wash? I didn't know they even had that. I don't use that. I use soap. I got a bald head, so I don't need to worry about any hair products either. Here's your little spices and stuff. Okay, I'm trying to be thorough with you guys today, because this is a great store. This is like the best store in Reno for sure. But like I said, it's a little pricey because hey, they got to keep their lights on, and they got to be there to support us. So you got to be able to spend money on that. So, and then down there is just the honey. So, and then stuff. Oh, I'm in the way. Let me get out of the way. All right. Now the last section I'm going to show you guys. I think it's the last section. Oh, besides the cash register. So this is the drinks, beverages, teas. Got the yerba mate, water. But I don't know. They have pretty good products. So anyway, all right. The last section. Let's finish up. I think we did pretty good. Hope you guys learned something. This is what a food co-op is. And let me see here. So, and then we got our registers here.